you making, Grandpa?
Hey, it's D.I.Y. Grandpa here with some ideas and encouragement for projects you can do at home. Well, today I'm out here fixing a automatic drip sprinkler system. They're great to have. It saves water. It's hooked to the timer, but guess what? The line broke and was shooting water all the way over here against the bathroom window. So they get brittle, they break, and we're gonna fix it. When I saw the water shooting out yesterday morning, I came out and noticed that this line here, which is the drip line, was broken. And I think what's happened is this plant here has just gotten bigger, and the base literally expanded and snapped this water line. So I'm gonna fix those things with these. This is the nipples that you put these water lines together with when you have pieces, or if you need to add on to it. And so I'll be putting that in and just adding another piece that I've got extra things in the garage. I was trying to keep some extras around, but I'm going to need to drive this into this old brittle water line, and it's a little bit smaller now, I think, after just being in the sun for so long. So I've got to figure out how to drive this nipple into the line and make it fit again. Making a new part fit into an old brittle line, I'm just going to use this for an example to show you what I'm going to do. I've got to get inventive on driving this in. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver, because I want to pound on this a little bit, and I'm going to use the back end of the screwdriver to pound on instead of this plastic part, because I don't want to ruin it. So let's see if I can drive this in by pounding on the end. Oh man, that's great. It just goes right in. So I'll tap a little bit more. I've got to go about another ½ an inch, and that drives it right in. It's amazing if you just kind of think about these things. You can come up with ways to overcome some obstacles. What I've done here is I've cut just an extension piece out of the extra drip line that I have, and I'm going to put that now in the gap that's been created by the expanding of the broken water line. Got my pieces ready to go, and I need to get this expansion piece now to go in between these two new ends of the water line that broke. So like I showed you before, I've got the screwdriver in my part. I'm just going to pound a little bit because that just goes in real nice into my old water line. And now I've got this nipple sticking out here. I'm going to put this expansion in and then drive the other part into the other side of the line, and I'm going to have a fixed water line. The drip system is back in business, and I did it myself. Okay, drip system fixed. No more water spraying on the side of the house. I'm all done. I think I'm going to go in and have a snack. Thanks for watching. See you next time.